Hello, my friends. We're doing the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for the day of Wednesday, December 29th, 2021. And the current date is December 18th, 2021 at 6:57 p.m. So the overall theme and behavior for the day is an intentional fake out, shake out, false triggering of an indicator, something that takes place intentionally, to create impulsive bad decisions by humans. And so it's also crossed with the fortune card. This is the 29th. It's also crossed with the fortune card, so there may be a notable high in here. The overview, we have two local lows, we have a sharp decline, and we have a trade opportunity. Okay, so in the pre-market, we've got a lot of volatility. It's the Ace of Swords. It's a lot of volatility. It's also correlated to the Devil card, so there's an intentional fake out in there. It's the Open card is also correlating to the Devil card, so there's an intentional fake out there in the pre-market right around the open. And then there's a bit of sideways fluctuation right around the open where the inflow and outflow are roughly the same. In the first half hour, we have 3 failed attempts to breach resistance. We just kind of like poke through it 3 times, and then we drop sharply. We meet a support level around roughly around let's say 10 20 10 15 10 20ish, and then we have a move higher. Well, the support level, matter of fact, it's somewhere between 10 and 12 o'clock is a notable support level, and then we push higher off of that. It's the Knight of Discs. I see that very frequently as a support level as of recently in December anyways. And so then we have another trade opportunity between 12 and 1 where we push higher and we break through a resistance level, and that resistance level becomes our new support level. We then have another fake out around a high. Well, there's a fake out somewhere between. There's a fake out right around 12:45ish, 1 o'clock, and then we revisit. And it commences there, but we revisit a support level and an opportunity. A previous opportunity between 1 and 2 o'clock. There's between 2 and 3 o'clock, roughly, there's a failed attempt to break through a resistance, a surprise failure, and we drop sharply. Something that was expected doesn't transpire, and there's a piece of news that comes out around let's say 3 o'clock-ish, maybe 3:05-ish, somewhere around there, give or take 10 minutes. And then there's a sharp decline through a very sharp decline in the last hour. There's an overbought crest that we sell off from right around the close. And when I say overbought, I mean the RSI will be in the 80s or higher. And then in the post market, we have 3 crosses through the same price level, and then that indicates a bullish trend. The behavior around the high, there's a big push to the high. A big push to the high, but it's nullified. There's no correlations in the timeline cards, which says to me that it's short-lived. It doesn't hold, if you will. And then we have bullish rotation, kind of like we have bullish rotation behavior around the low, and the low is also a trade opportunity. So we have trade opportunity in the first hour and a half. We have a trade opportunity around noon. And then we also have a correlation to the following day as a trade opportunity and a low card. The trade, I'm being advised to trade around a sideways movement with a downtrend to it, or to look at it as though like this is the beginning of opportunity to grow something new. And that's the 1 day reading for the S&P 500 throughout the day of December 29th, 2021. I hope this helps. Let me know how it does, guys. Love to hear from you. Do me a favor and hit like, hit subscribe, something like that, and spread the love. I'll see y'all later.